come back in about 5 or 6 hours and we'll do a background there. I can tell right now it's going to be pretty wispy. It's not going to be super solid. Not sure how the middle will turn out, if it's going to continue to move or if it'll stay more put. We'll see. I will be back. Okay, it's been about 5 or 6 hours and I'm excited about them. They look like they bloomed pretty softly and I'm hoping they'll look great. I've got about 2 to 2.5 ounces of space left in each coaster. Okay, it's time to unveil. These are new molds and they're dull looking. I definitely have to top coat them. They're not blobby. They're probably a little more wispy than I want. My next set I'm going to use pigment, black pigment, and go that route. They are pretty. Depending on how the light hits it, you can see that little kind of periwinkle shimmer. Can you see that? Yeah, so I'm going to put a quick top coat on, same as I used on the background layer, the fast set. Mix it up like I do always, the same way. I'll be back. So I mixed 2 ounces of the fast set and I put 1/2 ounce on each coaster. I didn't measure it out on the coasters, I just pour petals that are similar size. This is a 6-inch Lazy Susan. I'll show you how I do the first one. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Love you all.